Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a presentation using Gamma AI. This powerful tool helps you create stunning presentations effortlessly. You'll learn to leverage its artificial intelligence for rapid content generation, making the design process much simpler. We'll cover the initial steps, from defining your topic to selecting a suitable theme, ensuring a strong foundation for your presentation. Gamma AI excels at transforming your ideas into structured content. Simply provide a one-line prompt, and the AI will generate a comprehensive outline with titles and bullet points. You can then easily refine this content, ensuring it perfectly matches your message. Adjust the text density to keep each card concise, typically with one main idea per slide. Beyond text, Gamma offers extensive visual customization. You can choose from AI-generated images, stock photos, or upload your own. Easily adjust themes, fonts, and color schemes to align with your brand identity. Gamma also supports interactive elements, such as polls or embedded videos, to boost audience engagement and make your presentation more dynamic. Once your presentation is complete, Gamma provides flexible sharing options. You can use its built-in presentation mode for a seamless delivery. For broader compatibility, export your work to common formats like PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. Alternatively, share a direct link, allowing your audience to view your dynamic, web-based presentation easily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.